have no idea.
At this point, what it is?
What number 16 is going for? Oh! 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 It was just that drenched in mud down there. I'm so sorry. They choose that. Oh! Oh!
Positions down at another red flag. We're going back to reconnection.
Stuck the vehicle. I'm looking for a gun to... More locked up. That ain't gonna be fixed. Oh! Oh!
13 is out, Roger Rice from Redbud, out of time. Down to Alex Schilling in the 118, Glenn Lutman in the 42. Harry back on top again. Continually pounding away on Toby Humrighausen. Austin Zillow is out of time. Austin Zillow out of time. Harry Bad's got it wound up again. He's looking for it. Can't find the hit that he wants.
What's number 42 gonna do? What does it look like it's calling on each other? Is that even allowed? Ooh.
Aaron G takes the hard hit. Schilling working his way around. Now he opens it up on Lutman.
Could be fires, I have no idea. But this guy right here.
Break in the 16, trying to get underway.
This guy never got
in
flipped.
front of the grandstand. Lutman. G.
Or two.
Battling and Schilling. Oh, battling it out. Lutman on the gas, pounding with the front bumper.
Oh!
16 is out, move the break, we're down to 4, down to
Sparks,
4.
amazing.
All two possessions drivers, red flag officials are on the track.
Whoa.
Schilling takes another hit from Lutman.
Whoa.
Now Schilling and Batten meet up.
3 cars remaining.
On the 4 cars remaining in a battle down to 1.
Still 3 cars remaining. That one, another one. It Sparks. Oh, whoa, oh,
55.
miss.
Schilling trying to get a beat on Lutman, can't get through it.
Just flipped, amazing. Hope it's okay. I'm definitely gonna have a sore throat tonight again. Woo! Multiple firemen around that car right now.
Now it's back up, guys. Officials checking.
I see everybody get their
Red Lutman is